Unpacking the phrase, he's on bed rest. Hello and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we'll be diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language. He's on bed rest. Understanding phrases like this is not just about the words, but the context and how they're used in everyday conversations. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, he's on bed rest, might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. It's often used by healthcare professionals or in family conversations. The phrase indicates that the person, in this case, he, is advised to stay in bed due to health reasons. It's not just about taking a rest. It's a specific recommendation, usually made by a doctor, for recovery or to prevent a health condition from worsening. You might hear, he's on bed rest, in various situations. It's common in scenarios where someone has undergone surgery, is dealing with a severe illness, or during certain stages of pregnancy. But how do you use this phrase in a sentence? Here are a few examples. After the accident, he's on bed rest for at least a month. The doctor has put him on bed rest to ensure a full recovery. Due to high blood pressure, he's on bed rest until further notice. It's important to understand the emotional and cultural context of this phrase. Being on bed rest can be challenging, not just physically but also emotionally. It can signify a period of dependence, frustration, or boredom for the person involved. Recognizing this helps in empathizing with those who are on bed rest, and it informs the tone and care you should take when discussing or addressing the situation. And that's a wrap on the phrase, he's on bed rest. Remember, understanding such phrases goes beyond the literal meaning. It's about the context, the situation, and the emotions involved. We hope this video has shed light on this common yet nuanced phrase. Stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.